in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, 20 nautical miles. Waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Altamont, Sound, Georgia, to Fernandina Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. at 5:47 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a rain band, producing a waterspout 8 nautical miles southeast of Jacksonville Beach, moving northeast at 20 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, hail, and heavy rains. Your best course of evasive action, if threatened by a waterspout, is to move at a 90-degree angle from its apparent movement. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, 20 nautical miles. Waters from Altamont Sound to St. Augustine, 20 to 60 nautical miles.